Today, Valve just dropped one of the biggest surprises of 2025 with the long-awaited return of the Steam Machine. And this time, it arrives with more power, more stability, and more ambition than ever before. And trust me, gamers across America are already calling it a game-changing moment. On November 12, Valve officially announced the all-new Steam Machine, a compact, cube-shaped gaming system designed specifically for the living room, bringing full PC gaming performance right to your television without the complexity of a traditional desktop, and powered by the latest AMD Zen 4 processor combined with RDNA 3 graphics. This new system is said to be up to 6 times more powerful than the Steam Deck, offering smooth performance, high frame rates, and a premium visual experience for modern games. The new Steam Machine runs the latest version of Steam OS, giving players seamless access to their entire Steam library, from AA blockbuster titles to small but brilliant indie favorites, allowing you to enjoy everything from cinematic adventures to competitive shooters directly on your TV, with support for 4K 60 frames per second and fluid gameplay that truly feels next generation. Valve did not stop with just the console, as the company also revealed a newly designed Steam controller offering better ergonomics, improved precision, and enhanced customization options, along with a next-generation virtual reality headset known as Steam Frame, built to push immersive experiences to the next level. And all of this shows that Valve is returning to hardware with serious long-term goals, facing the gaming industry with renewed confidence. What makes this announcement even more exciting is the fact that Valve seems committed to unifying PC gaming and living room gaming into one accessible platform, something gamers have wanted for years, bringing simplicity, performance, and flexibility together in a single device. American gamers are calling this the biggest hardware comeback of the decade, and tech analysts across major platforms believe Valve is building a hybrid category that blends the raw power of a gaming PC with the ease and comfort of a traditional console. And many players are already discussing how this device could reshape the future of living room entertainment, offering a new option for families, casual players, and hardcore gamers alike. The Steam Machine is expected to launch in early 2026, and even though the official price has not been revealed, the excitement surrounding this device is growing rapidly, with gamers eagerly waiting for launch details, performance tests, and hands-on reviews. And with this level of hype, it is clear that Valve is setting the stage for one of the most anticipated hardware releases in recent years. So stay tuned for more updates as the story continues to unfold. Valve's new Steam Machine announced 6x more powerful than Steam Deck. 2026 launch news. Valve has officially announced the brand new Steam Machine, a powerful living room gaming device built for 4K gaming. Powered by AMD Zen 4 and RDNA 3, this system is reportedly 6 times more powerful than the Steam Deck. In this video, we break down the specs, features, US launch details, and what this means for the future of gaming consoles. Stay tuned for the latest tech and gaming updates.